All right, welcome back. Day one, which looks like it was the last day we were here in the winter. We got a fluke snow. We're still in winter, so now we're back. Guys are up top putting some gas lines in, doing some drain work. Me and Tim are gonna work on the wall here. Start stepping this up, working our way back that way, and should have this done this week. And jump on the patio next week. Tim, ready to be back?
Oh yeah.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Why are you guys out of breath?
Yeah.
Just manhandled the 250-pound pipe here that you can see. Okay, maybe not 250 pounds, but it was very, it felt like 250 pounds.
Did you get your tickets? To what? The gun show?
wrapped up with, I think this is week 2 on the Dorwood project. As you can see, we've got this wall, beautiful wall, mostly built up. I'd say we're probably 3/4 of the way done. It's gonna be our final height, plus a cap. And then they're gonna have a concrete guy come and do the driveway after this is all completed. You can see we stopped right here. We've got maybe 25 feet to be all done. As you can see, we've really had to do this a weird way. We've had to access everything from the top because we are standing on the neighbor's property right now. So a little different. We've had super tight access. So it's been really weird. Machines have definitely helped get this wall in. It's been a great week, and we'll see you back next week.